Hi folks, welcome back. Hope you are doing well. Today we have a lecture 12 of ICT A to Z beginner series. Okay. So the main recipe that will help you to understand these one start from here. The today lecture is a market structure shift or a valid swing point. What is it and how does it look like? So make sure you watch this video till end. Let's get started. So before I show you in the chart, I want you to understand here, okay? To be in this specific series of ICT, the valid swing point is look like this, okay? What does it mean? That the candle, okay, for example, any candle, if before that candle and after that candle, if did not break that candle, is a valid swing point, okay? Same on the opposite direction, a candle, the previous one and the after one, if did not break either by wick or either by body, it's a valid swing point. And then if market tap on POI like this, price come, tap on the POI, okay, 1 minute. Let me show you, okay. So here tap, and then here you see this type of scenario, bullish, okay, for bullish, this one, okay. The market break this one, come downside, you will find here a fair value gap, order block, breaker block, mitigation block, inversion fair value gap, all your setup will be here and you will target the opposite side liquidity, okay. I will repeat again. To be a valid swing point for ICT, as per ICT concept, the candle, okay, here any candle, the first candle and the third candle should not break that the second candle, okay. For downside valid swing point, the center candle should not go below or equal can be okay, but should not go below or equal to the first and third candle, okay. That is the valid swing point. And then price if tap on any POI, and you will see this swing point on here, okay, and the market break it with displacement, okay. Displacement mean a huge momentum candle, okay, and you will see then setup of fair value gap, breaker block, order block, mitigation block, and then you will tap your entry. Let me show you some examples. So here if we want to find a valid swing point, okay, we are bearish, okay. So for bearish, what I said, any candle, like here we have a green candle, okay, a black candle before and this black candle after, it did not break downside this candle, you see the wick, okay, you see if I zoom it more, you see it did not break, right, okay. So this is a valid swing point, okay. Also I will show you one more thing. This candle and this candle did not break, this is also valid swing point, okay. This one also valid swing point, okay. Equal can be, but many people, most of the traders keep these for their market structure shift. Yeah, their market structure shift also happen here as well, okay. After that you will find your setup like a fair value gap, like a breaker, mitigation block, that's all. Understand? For a bullish, for example, this is a candle before and after did not break, this is a valid swing point, okay. You see here this candle before and after did not break, the valid swing point, this is your market structure shift, okay. So the point is, I will show you the example on the next video, the deep example where you also see the entry points, okay. So here you should know what is the valid swing point and what is the market structure shift. You will see this is a valid swing point, before and after did not break, this is a market structure shift with displacement. If you see a wick, ICT said does not also need a candle, but most of the time I see this thing, the candle, if it's closed properly, then I consider it's a valid market structure shift, okay. here a valid swing point, a market structure shift, price come to the order block and go upside. Okay, swing point, market structure shift, swing point, market structure shift. Okay, swing point, market structure shift, swing point, market structure shift, swing point, market structure shift. Okay, you have to practice and you have to see when it's work. I already told you in the diagram that you will only want to see this type of thing. Okay, this thing when it's tap on the higher time frame POI and you will see a market structure shift, then you consider for a trade. Okay, so you should know what is a valid swing point for the ICT perspective. Okay, so I hope you learned something on this video. Make sure you join our Telegram channel, and if you are new to YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe our YouTube. And you did not choose any broker, here is the best broker. I will keep the link in the description. Zero spread, good leverage, swap free, zero commission. Okay, until next time, be safe.